Up, y'all? How you doing today? I got a little bit of a different video for y'all today. We are at a park in Florida, a wildlife park, so we're going to try to see some animals and walk around, see some marshland, and you never know, maybe a couple alligators or something like that. I'm not going to wrestle them today because I don't feel like showing anybody up. So let's go and let's have some fun. Here we go, fam. We are here. Let's hope to see some wildlife and see where we're going. This Japanese moss in these trees. You can tell these trees are very, very old. It's been here for years. This Japanese moss, I love this shit. It makes the trees, oh, almost fell. Makes the trees look so good. Okay. Yep, going to the lake. There they go. Already walking. Wish there was a little bit more shade down here. You know, we are from Pennsylvania. It's hot out here. There's a lot. It is absolutely beautiful down here. Any outdoorsman would love this. My brother Tony, I bet you're loving this town. I wish you was here, bro. You'd love this. Maybe when you come down to the video, I'll check it out. But this tree here, it is huge. Like it takes 3 people to push your arms around that tree. Filled up with Japanese moss. Look at that tree, guys. Everything just grows so crazy down here. It just like grows anywhere and anyway.
Don't get too far.
All right.
You have my phone.
More Japanese moss.
Yeah.
Probably could have picked a little bit warmer day. It's only like 95 out, you know.
I don't keep them. I toss them back in.
There's some water. No alligators though, at least not yet.
Yeah.
Okay, by reading some of this stuff, we really got to watch the waters because they're saying that there is alligators down all through here. Look how beautiful this is. Absolutely beautiful. And the best part is, this is only like 3 miles from my house. Oh, sorry, bro. Sorry, fisherman. No fishing. Good thing we're not doing any fishing today. Okay, we're coming to a... Okay, well, I don't know. We could go off the beaten path. Well, we'll go there on the way back. How about it? Because we want to go. We want to go here. Yeah, my walking stick. Y'all like that? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Lake Track is the
There you go. Like that. Let's go to Lake Track. Alright, y'all, let's go.
People are ignorant. They threw a cigarette in there.
Wow. Look at that, guys. That is absolutely outrageous. I hate people. You see what I showed you? That was a cigarette. Why throw your cigarettes in wildlife? You know, if something comes up and eats that cigarette, a bird or something, it can make them sick. You don't know, it could even kill them. So why do it? That is ridiculous. That makes me very, very mad. Okay. Let's see where we are going now. And cottonmouth. And water moccasins. Turkey. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful turkey. Oh, let's keep on walking. We've been on this path for like 5 minutes, y'all, and we already seen wildlife. Saw a turkey. Had to turn around. We're going back the other way now, I guess, because where we went was completely underwater.
Don't step in the animal poop.
So, right there, some coyote droppings.
Could be bobcat. There's bobcats here.
Or, yeah, it might be a bobcat. You know, I forgot there's bobcats down here. So, could be just about anything. But, let's go see where we're going to go next. We've got to get out to the beginning of the trail. Too bad this one was underwater. I would have liked to got back here and seen that. Alright, y'all. Let's see where we're going. Found a lemon. It's either lemon or lime tree. They're still green, so not sure which one it is.
It's getting ready to turn yellow. See it?
Well, it's lime. Because Connie found one that... Baby found one that's about to turn yellow back there.
See it right there?
Huh.
There's a couple of them. They're
well, we are back on the beaten path. So, let's see where it takes us. It's still, even if you just walk down, take this trail and walk for a little while, you know, so beautiful. Look at that old tree. So beautiful. Like the old tree. I love seeing like stuff like that. If it was night, you'd probably see, or towards the evening when it wasn't so hot, you'd probably see a bunch of squirrels out on it because, or woodpeckers or something. Check her out. It's a nice tree. How about it, y'all? I was just showing y'all all kind of stuff and talking about it, talking about these flowers back there, talking about a little bit about everything. And I looked, and my camera was not on record. So maybe if we go back this way, I'll show you all these flowers. There is pastures of them, like there's some way back there, but I can't get back there. So. Okay, y'all, look at the bottom of this tree. That thing's probably about 15 feet round. I bet you it's over 150 years old. Nice. They got them all through here, man. But you know what? I haven't seen a tree go straight up since I've been back here in these lands. So the only ones that go straight up are the palms. Everything else goes crooked or sideways.
See the wild boar?
Alright, y'all. See the wild boar? I can't believe he's all alone. Usually they're not all alone. But let's keep on walking. They're probably used to humans, but he is decent. Nice, and he's nice and shiny. Check out his coat. Alright, y'all. Hopefully we see more wildlife to show you. There he is. Okay, y'all. Some more wetland. Check out that pile. Probably a beaver hiding in there, I wouldn't doubt it. I mean, but it's not really a dam, it's just a little, like swamp land.
You can see the lake right there.
We can see the lake over there in that opening. Gonna see if we can find out a way to get to it, if y'all can see it through them trees. There is a big thing of water right here. Not trying to get close to it though. Probably be like stand by me and get leeches all over the place, and then get them down your pants, and there you go. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a gator right there. If you see him, he's right there. Okay. It is, we are still in the park. We walked all the way to the end, to the lake. I'm going to show you guys the lake here in a second. But, yeah, we're seeing a lot of wildlife, a lot of birds. Beautiful out here. Absolutely beautiful. And they have this deck here at the end before Alligator Alley. But we ain't going to get to go down Alligator Alley because of it being closed. Because of, I don't really want to get into it, but certain people, you know, complaining about stuff. But alright, I'm going to show you this lake and stuff, then we're going to start headed back, y'all. Lake, it is something else. It is huge and no fishing in it. It's a big lake. Seen a couple gators in it earlier. This guy right here, just chilling. Bunch of them up in the trees. The guy over there fishing, he already got one. Okay, let's start headed back. There's a bird right behind that moss. If y'all can see him, here he comes. There he is. Beautiful, ain't he? You know, I wish I could have something like this in my backyard. I absolutely love wildlife. Especially in its natural habitat. I think he might be looking for bugs. He already caught a fish.
You are an angel.
Yes, it is.
That is why it is an angel.
Beautiful, beautiful bird. What kind of bird is that, bud? I don't know. I think he said Great Ebert. Oh, Great Ingrid. He's beautiful. And there's Spanish moss. Okay, y'all, I don't know if y'all can see it. But right on top, do you see that? That red right there? That's the red moss that's hurting everything. Sorry about that, but I had to show y'all that. These people's bike, somebody's bike fell over. I wasn't close to it, I promise.
I'm gonna help pick it up. You got it?
Like, them people probably thought that I pushed their bike over.
Alright, so
Okay, let's look at him.
we gotta go.
Here's another one of them Great Eberts or whatever they are. Man, this lake is so beautiful. I bet there's some huge fish in there. I bet there's some huge gators. He is fishing. Look how still he is being. Staring straight into the water, looking at a fish or something. He's about to get it, but we're not going to bother him. We're going to keep on going. Seen another gator, but I couldn't get the camera to come on. But We are walking back now and just want to show you some of this land, you know. This is absolutely beautiful out here. There's some more boars rooting over there. I think there was 2 of them. There's one right there. Let me see if I can find the other one. Don't know where he went. There he goes. Him. Well, if we wait. Yep. Do you see it? He's rooting there. He almost looks like a domestic pig being white and black, you know? That's bacon. I think it's bacon.
That's the meal.
You know, I don't know if y'all can hear it, but I can hear it rooting from here. I don't know where the black one went.
He's that way.
Hey, Mr. Boar. Can't get that something gonna look up for nothing.
Looking up from his food, are you nuts?